Are you tired of the hassle and frustration of manual scissors when trying to cut through thicker materials or tackle crafting projects? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we'll be diving into the best 7 cordless electric scissors and multi-cutters for 2025. Perfect for making your cutting tasks faster, cleaner, and easier. Whether you're working with fabric, cardboard, leather, or even tough plastics, these power-backed tools will elevate your cutting game. Let's get started. When you think of Makita, you think of reliable tools, and the PC01 is no exception. This cordless multi-cutter is designed with a compact and lightweight build that makes it super easy to handle. Weighing in at just 1.6 pounds, it's perfect for both extended use and intricate cuts, whether you're trimming carpets, leather, or rubber. The 12-volt max battery provides solid power for everyday cutting tasks, and its self-sharpening blade ensures that you'll get consistently clean, sharp cuts without worrying about frequent maintenance. But here's where it falls short. Compared to others, it has a lower motor speed, just 300 RPM, making it slightly less effective on tougher materials or larger projects. Still, if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to control for basic cutting, this tool is a reliable choice. However, remember that the battery and charger are sold separately, which is a common theme across many of these tools. Next up is the Dremel, a super sleek and versatile cordless electric scissor that brings professional grade features to your home projects. With its ultra-sharp shears and 5 variable speed settings, it offers precise control for delicate tasks like cutting paper, fabric, or plastic. Plus, the quiet motor ensures that your cutting is nearly silent, a huge plus if you're working on projects at home late at night without disturbing others. However, the cutting power is somewhat limited. Its compact design and quiet motor make it ideal for lightweight tasks, but it struggles when it comes to cutting through thicker or tougher materials. The battery also takes a bit longer to charge, about 2.5 hours, which can be a downside if you're in a rush. On the plus side, the USB-C charging is super convenient and compatible with many devices you already likely use. For light-duty projects though, it's definitely a solid choice. Moving on to the Bosch, a tool that takes cutting to the next level with its impressive stroke rate of 700 SPM. This cordless shear is designed for cutting through various soft materials like PVC, fabric, and carpet. Its 12-volt battery offers long-lasting power, and with the Bosch electronic cell protection, you can rest assured your battery is protected against overloads and overheating. However, while it excels at cutting softer materials, it struggles with anything tougher. So if you're working with tougher materials like thicker plastics or hard rubber, this may not be your best bet. The compact design and ergonomic feel make it comfortable to use, and the long battery life for lighter projects is definitely a plus. Just be mindful of its limitations on tougher materials, and this tool will serve you well. Next, let's talk about the Ryobi, a tool that brings compact design and greater power to everyday cutting tasks. The Ryobi boasts a 4-volt battery that delivers reliable power for light to medium cutting tasks. It's perfect for cutting through soft materials like cardboard, fabric, or plastic. The self-sharpening blade is a standout feature, ensuring that your cuts remain precise and clean with minimal effort. One of the downsides, the cutting capacity is limited to 0.25 inches, so it's not ideal for cutting thicker materials or for extended sessions. The runtime is decent, but if you're working on larger projects, you might find yourself needing to recharge more often. That said, its lightweight design and ease of use make it an excellent tool for anyone looking for a quick and efficient cutter for everyday use. Now, we move on to the Skil Multi-Cutter. Skil has a reputation for offering powerful and reliable tools at a great price, and the ES4651A-10 definitely fits that mold. Equipped with a self-sharpening blade, this tool provides clean cuts on materials like fabric, cardboard, and soft plastic. Its 12-volt power core lithium battery offers fast charging, meaning you can get back to work quickly, and the tool itself is lightweight and easy to maneuver for both small and large tasks. However, the cutting capacity is limited to 1/4 of an inch, so it's not suitable for very thick materials. Additionally, the battery and charger are sold separately, which could be a hassle if you don't already own other Skil tools that use the same battery. Overall though, this is a solid performer that strikes a good balance between power, portability, and versatility. Coming in at number 2, we have the Fanttik C8 Nano, a compact powerhouse electric scissor that really delivers when it comes to versatility and cutting precision. With a high magnet motor and 3-speed settings, it excels at cutting through a range of materials including cardboard, fabric, and plastic. The LED display gives you real-time feedback on battery life and speed settings, making it easy to manage your cuts. The quick charging time and up to 40 minutes of runtime ensure you won't be left high and dry in the middle of a project. While the cutting capacity isn't explicitly specified, it's clearly designed for everyday use, and the runtime can handle most home projects without a hitch. One downside to consider is the battery life might fall short for heavier tasks, so if you're looking for something for long, intensive cutting sessions, you might want to look elsewhere. But for light to medium duty tasks, this is a fantastic option that combines power, efficiency, and ease of use. Finally, we arrive at our top pick, the Worx. If you're looking for the perfect balance between cutting power, versatility, and ease of use, this is it. The 4-volt max lithium battery delivers consistent power for light to medium duty tasks, and the motor speed of 240 cuts per minute ensures quick and efficient results. The zip snip is incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for anyone who does a lot of cutting work and doesn't want to deal with hand fatigue. One of the standout features of this tool is its ability to handle a wide range of materials, whether it's cardboard, plastic, fabric, or even carpet. This tool can tackle it all with minimal effort. However, the charging time is a bit on the longer side, 5 hours, but once it's charged, you can rely on it for extended cutting sessions. Its easy to use design coupled with the powerful performance makes the Worx the best cordless electric scissor for 2025. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best cordless electric scissors and multi-cutters. These tools have the potential to make your cutting tasks a whole lot easier, whether you're tackling DIY projects, crafting, or even light home repairs. Let me know which one you think is the best fit for your needs in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.